Good morning to all of you. My name is Oshij and today's my Viva topic is source of adverse event report. Healthcare professional, physicians, nurses, pharmacists and other healthcare providers may report adverse event observed in the patients during treatment or after administering the medications. Patients and consumers, individual whose experience adverse effect from medications, vaccines or medical device can report their experience directly to regulatory agencies or pharmaceutical companies. Then pharmaceutical companies, manufacture of drug, vaccines and medical device are required by regulatory agencies to monitor and report adverse event associated with their products with their products. Then regulatory agencies, government agencies such as Food Drug Administration, that is FDA, then United States European Medicine, that is EMA, in the Europe, collect adverse event report from various sources and use them to monitor the safety of the drug and medical device. Then clinical trials means adverse event are closely monitoring during clinical trials, and researchers are required to report any adverse event that occur during the study period. Then literature and research, adverse event report published in medical literature to presented at scientific conference contribute to overall understanding of the safety profile of drug and medical device. These reports are curricularly for identify potential safety concern, assessing the risk benefit balance of medical interventions and implementations regulatory actions to protect public health. Then poison control center receives reports of adverse reactions to medications, accidentally injections and other toxic exposures, which they may then forward to appropriate regulatory agencies or healthcare providers. Then medical device user, facilities such as hospital and clinics are required to report adverse event related to medical device to regulate agencies, contributing to their ongoing monitoring of device safety. Then post-marketing surveillance programs, some pharmaceutical companies and regulatory agencies establish post-marketing surveillance programs to actively monitor the safety of drug and medical device after they have been approved and introduced to the market. Then adverse event monitoring systems, many countries have established adverse event monitoring systems that collect and analyze report from healthcare provider, patients and other sources to identify emerging safety signals and trends. Then veterinary pharmacovigilance, veterinaries and pet owners can report adverse event related to animal medications and vaccines to regulate authorities responsible for veterinary pharmacovigilance. Social media and online forums, patient and carvigers sometimes share their experience with medications and medical device on social medical platform, which may serve as informed source of adverse event reports. This additional source contribute to the comprehensive surveillance and monitoring of the safety of pharmaceuticals, vaccines and medical device across the different populations and settings. Then source of adverse event report. Adverse event report typically originate from the various sources, including first healthcare professional, physician, nurse, pharmacist and other healthcare provides may report adverse event observed in patients during treatments or after administering medications. Patients and consumers, individual who experience adverse effect from medications, vaccines or medical device can report their experience directly to regulatory agencies or pharmaceutical companies, manufacture of drug, vaccines and medical device and required for regulatory agencies to monitor and report adverse event associated with their products. Post-marketing surveillance programs. Some pharmaceutical companies and regulatory agencies establish post-marketing surveillance programs to actively monitor the safety of drug and medical advice after they have been approved and introduced to the market. Then adverse event monitoring systems. Many countries have established adverse event monitoring systems that collect and analyze reports from healthcare providers, patients, and other sources to identify emerging safety signals and trends. Thank you.